Hey, good morning guys. I'm at the Go Hotel in Dumaguete. Whenever people ask me what I think about Dumaguete, and I kind of hype it up and say I love it here, what I'm about to do today, it's the reason why I love Dumaguete. It's the quick access to some amazing stuff. I'm hopping on my scooter. I'm gonna meet a friend of mine. I'm gonna grab some Jollibee first, a little brekkie, and I'm gonna show you guys where we're heading here shortly. It's gonna be a good day. It's supposed to be sunny. Can't wait. All right, good morning, thank you. Oh, baby. All right, guys, belly feels good. Janet's here, we're gonna hop on the bike. We're heading to the ferry because we're going snorkeling today in Apple Island. Janet, you excited? Woo! All right, if you want to go to Apple Island, you got to make your way to the Malatapai. Hold on, let me get the pronunciation. All right, we're at the port, the Malatapai port. I probably butchered the name, but Apple Island, guys, it's one of the benefits of coming to Dumaguete. It's so close. It's about a 30-minute drive from Dumaguete, and you're at the port. Guess we got to find our guys. We got a little tour today. Haven't done a tour in a long time. It's 2,000 pesos per person. It's a full day. It includes lunch, drinks, stuff like that. So it's a little under 40 bucks for a day of snorkeling. It's not bad. All right, hey guys, check this out. So I want to introduce you to my friend Janet. I met her through Jerry. You guys know my channel. She's friends with Jerry. Jerry's the...
Hey, Jerry!
What's up, Jerry?
What's up, Jerry?
You watch my channel. He's the man. Anyways, Janet is always up for adventure, and today is going to be an adventure, an underwater adventure. Woo! Oh yeah, sun is shining. How's the water feel? Is it cold? It's good? Oh yeah. Oh no, it's like a bathtub. All right. That water's looking crystal clear. Man, what a difference. You just come out to a little island, the water is completely different than it is back on the mainland. Not that it's bad over there, but it's just nicer here. It's worth coming out. Excuse me, can you tell me where the best section of the reef is? Wait, right over here? All right, thanks buddy. We're ready. It took 40 minutes, but we're geared up. We're heading in the water. All right guys, we all worked up an appetite. Yeah. Who's hungry? Hey, what's up everyone? This is the crew. I haven't introduced everyone. What's up? All right, we are eating well here on Apple Island. Check it out. And it's birthday boy right here. We got a little brownie as the cake. How are we? We're turning what? 40, 49?
39.
39. Oh, my bad. My bad. All right, it's official.
Okay, you gotta sing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Philip. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You didn't think you were getting a birthday cake on your birthday today?
This is a very pleasant surprise. I love it. Thanks to Janet.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right, the bellies are so happy. Gonna go wander around Apple Island. Have no idea if there's like a little... Is there a little village? Is there? Well, I guess this is the village. Is there anywhere we can explore? That's what I want to know. All right, this section of Apple Island's kind of interesting. We just came on this sign here. No entry, in-house guests only. What is that? It's like a cave. A cave hotel?
I asked for permission and he said it's okay with limitation.
We can just peek?
Okay.
All right, we have no idea what this is. In-house guests. What? Where are we going? Is this? Oh my God, look at this. Wow. Oh, this is nice.
Oh, there's somewhere over here.
Guys, no tours here. You come here for a relaxing time. Come for a few days. There's probably a reef right out there too. Oh, this is so nice. So there you have it. 30-minute boat ride from the port, and the port is a 30-minute scooter ride from Dumaguete. And you have access to this amazing island to come out for the day or stay at a resort and stay for a few days. One of the many amazing things you can do if you're in Dumaguete. You have access to waterfalls and you have access to Sel Cebu, a real quick ferry ride to get over there. I'm gonna take you guys there next. I'm gonna show you one of the waterfalls over there. Come with me. What is up, guys? On a little adventure today. Check out that view. Motorcycle ride from Dumaguete. It is a 30-minute ferry ride across to Sel Cebu. It's actually way quicker to get to Sel Cebu and explore this area than it is coming from Cebu City. 30-minute ferry ride and then another 25 minutes to get to this place called Dao Waterfall. That's where I'm heading right now. Beautiful day, a little cloudy, but it's all good. Come with me. It's gonna be a good day. All right, we made it to Dao Falls in Sel Cebu. Take you on a little trip with us today. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Finally made it to Dao Falls. Been wanting to come here for a while. Another benefit, I guess, if you did call Dumaguete your home base. You have all the waterfalls in Negros. You can come over to Sel Cebu, and there must be 20 waterfalls in Sel Cebu. There may be more. Spectacular. They're all a little bit unique. And if you don't like the cold water, yeah, it's a little chilly. Hey, what's up, guys? I am back from Sel Cebu. I'm in Valencia right now, a beautiful, cool, quaint little town just outside of Dumaguete. And I'm gonna go on one last adventure today to show you another awesome spot that you can check out if you love nature and adventure. This is why Dumaguete is so great, guys. You don't have to go far. And today, my friend Fretchie is joining me on this adventure. You might know her. She's on my channel in a popular video because she's so cool. I did an interview with her. She's with me today. Fretchie, what's up, Fretchie? What are you doing? How you doing?
I'm fine. Hi, everyone. Let's go.
All right, made it to Casaroro Falls. However, this is not the Casaroro Falls that you're gonna find on Google Maps. That's the one at the end of the hill, which is awesome. You'll see a big structure. It's like a tower. If you go that route, you have to hire a guide, and I think last time I did it, it was like 500 pesos. It's still amazing. You hike down this huge staircase to a river and hike through the jungle. It's spectacular. But if you go to this one, this is the original. This is the old one. You actually have to go through here. It's hard to find, guys, I'm not gonna lie, so you might have to ask around. And you kind of just walk up to someone's house and you pay them 100 pesos. It was 100 pesos for 2 people. And yeah, you just sign in and you access a different trail and you go down a different set of stairs, and it's a completely different waterfall that you're gonna come up to. Just as beautiful, but no crowds. Check it out. Looking down at Dumaguete. We're gonna head straight down and we're gonna be in the jungle here in a second. You ready for this?
Yeah.
Are you ready for this, Fretchie?
Let's go.
Hold on, Fretchie, have you done anything adventurous before in your life? Have you been on a hike like this before?
No. This will be my first time, so...
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
You're good.
It's nice.
Nice view. All right, guys, the other one, if you do the one with the guide, it's an actual staircase, like steel staircase. This one is completely makeshift. You'll see up here, it's basically like bags of cement. Yeah, here we go. They've literally just put bags of cement down and created a staircase. The railing is, I would say, 50-50. I wouldn't put too much weight on it. It works sometimes, but I have leaned on one of these bamboo railings and it completely gave way. So you got to be careful with that too. But other than that, this is what I'm talking about. Off the beaten path. All right, we just made it to the bottom of the staircase. This is where it starts, you guys. It's a hike along this beautiful river right here. It takes about 20-25 minutes to get to the main waterfalls. We're heading there right now, but we're gonna stop along the way because it's so nice and peaceful and relaxing, and I love it, and I love you. Beauty, beauty, beauty. All right, we're heading deep into the jungle now. We are going where not many people go. I'm definitely in my happy place when I'm at a place like this. Can you guys relate? I know there's a bunch of you guys that would do something like this. It's not for everybody, but if you come to Duma, don't just go to ground zero. Come up here. All right, there's only one way through. This is where we have to cross. We are almost at the waterfalls. So you can go over this area, which I don't know if it's sketch or not. There's another option over here, which is right through the river, which is what I did last time. We're gonna do that one again. So yeah, you can walk on that, but there's nothing to hold on to except for this flimsy thing, or you just walk right through the river. Fretchy's got the balance. Whoa, whoa! Oh, it was close. All right, we're going through. If you're worried about falling like Fretchy almost did, you gotta walk right through the river. And you can kind of hold on to this. We're almost there. We have a ladder to go up, right up here. Oh yeah, it's a little bit adventurous, guys, but it's not too bad. We've got a little makeshift bamboo ladder, and then we're at the falls. Oh baby, so nice. All right, there's a cave over here. We're gonna walk down and around the corner. It's pretty awesome, and it's a different view of the waterfall. How we doing back there? Here we go, Fretchy. That's not bad. Yeah. Nice job. How cool is that? That's kind of a cool view right there. Alright guys, we made it to the end. We're going to call that a wrap. Thanks for watching the video. More adventures to come. Awesome day. 3 amazing things that you can do within an hour, hour and a half or so from living in Dumaguete. Simply love it here. Love the Philippines in general, but this area, can't beat it, guys. Come here, be willing to be a bit adventurous. You can enjoy stuff like this. Thanks for watching. Going to Leyte next. Motorbike tour, north to south. It's going to be amazing with Carefree Chris. Tune in for that. See you later, guys.